Your home is equipped with a network of electrical circuitry to provide a safe and convenient living space. This video will highlight some of the ways you can maintain this system so it continues to operate as needed. Before doing any electrical maintenance, always be sure to shut the power off at the breaker panel. Circuits are labeled so you know which breaker controls each circuit. Light bulbs are the most common to require routine upkeep. Mattamy uses LED bulbs in most applications, which are energy efficient and long-lasting. When a bulb burns out, replace it with a bulb of similar specifications. This is especially important for LED bulbs on dimmer switches, which can flicker if incompatible with the dimmer. For recessed pot lights, pull down the cover and hold it while dislodging the bulb from its clip. Hold the receptacle while unscrewing the bulb. Replace, reclip, and push the cover back into place to finish. Your electrical outlets are tamper-resistant to prevent foreign objects from being inserted. You may need to gently jiggle when first plugging a device in. GFIs, or ground fault interrupters, are protective outlets found in bathrooms, kitchens, and the exterior of your home. These outlets identify and stop leaking currents that could result in shock. Each GFI has a reset and test button. Test GFIs yearly to ensure they are working properly. To test, plug in a small electronic device and turn it on. Click the test button, cutting power to the device. Then click Reset to restore power. If a GFI is tripped during normal operation, unplug all devices and click Reset to restore power. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, are specialized breakers found in your electrical panel that detect unsafe currents and cut power to the circuit. AFCIs are required on circuits serving bedrooms and are identified by their test button. To test an AFCI, press Test to see if the breaker trips. If so, the AFCI is functioning as normal. Reset the breaker to resume normal operation. Any breaker that trips will require you to first move the switch to the off position before flipping it back on. If any of your breakers trip for reasons unknown, or if a GFI or ACFI circuit won't reset properly after testing it, please contact a certified electrician to inspect the issue. If your home loses power, turn off or unplug all non-essential devices to reduce the electrical load on your circuitry when power is restored. Access your fridge and freezer only when necessary, as food can remain chilled for 24 to 36 hours if the doors remain closed. Following these steps will keep your electrical system operating correctly. Is there a topic you'd like to see? Let us know by contacting your customer care coordinator.